Are you looking for new inspiration this new year? Do you have problems keeping your New Year's resolution? If you answered yes to both questions, then this two-part video is exactly what you ordered. This is for you. Stay on and watch. The Bible offers timeless wisdom that can guide us ahead of our plans for this new year. One powerful lesson comes from Isaiah 43 verses 18 to 19, where God tells us, "Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing." This reminds us that every new year brings fresh opportunities and the chance to reinvent ourselves. Don't you agree? Another inspiring Bible message is from Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14. This encourages us to forget what is behind and strain toward what is ahead. As we embrace new beginnings, let's focus on our goals and the potential that lies ahead. In addition, Jeremiah 29 verse 11 reassures us of God's plans for our future, stating, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to save you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a future and to give you hope." Wow! A future that is planned by God? Isn't that exciting? Ooh! What more can you ask for? This really gives us hope and confidence for this coming new year. Don't you agree? So, if you are looking for inspiration, the Bible is your go-to book. And let us not forget what Psalm 37 verse 5 says. "Commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him, and He will act." As we set our resolutions, let us commit our plans, therefore, to the Lord. Let us ask Him for guidance. Surrender to the Lord what your plans are. And I'm sure that He will always be there for us. However, being inspired by these verses is one thing. Yes, we are inspired. But doing something is another thing. We have to move forward to what we want to accomplish. Right? Do you want to have better health? Better finances? Better relationships? Better abilities? Better spirituality? Do you want to be a better artist? A better office worker? A better mother? A better father? A better student? You want to be better in everything, right? So, the answer is, how can we be better? How can we keep our New Year's resolution after being inspired by these Bible verses? The answer is, watch out for part 2 of this video. There we will talk about how to make it possible to maintain and have no problem accomplishing your goals and keeping your New Year's resolution. Let's welcome our new year full of hope and inspiration through Bible verses, and let's work on this together. As we embark on this new year, let these Bible verses therefore inspire and motivate us to do better in everything that we are and everything that we do. Let us act on this. Watch out for the part 2 of this video. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. And please click like and also share with friends. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you will be informed when the new video is published. I'll see you then. God bless. God loves you. I love you. Bye.